Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your PayPal account's password, then first open up PayPal on a web browser. Go to www.paypal.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, click the gear button located at the upper right hand corner. You'll be able to open up your account tab on the next page. From the top of the screen, click on Security. Right where you can see Password, click the Update button. Enter your current password in the first text box and head over to the New Password box and type in the new password you're trying to change to. Once you're done entering the new password, confirm the new password by typing it again in the last text box. Finally, click Change Password button, and that way, you'll be able to change your password on PayPal. As soon as you do that, you'll need to log into your account by typing in your password one more time. Go ahead and enter the new password you just changed to, and click the Login button, and that way, you'll be able to log into your PayPal account with the new password that you just changed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.